Welcome back, ladies and gents. So today, this is going to be a slightly different video because there's a lot of people moving over to OBS Studio or they're just starting streaming. I'm going to show you how quick it is to set up a basic OBS and start up and start streaming. So we're going to go straight into it. I've got a timer set up, but it will start as soon as we've got OBS downloaded, stuff like that. So we're going to go to OBS Studio. We're going to go to the obviously operating system of your choice. Most people will only be on Windows, but obviously there is Mac and Linux. So once we've downloaded it, we open up a new OBS. So this is where I will start the timer. So we've opened it up, it's completely blank. It will start you running through a words will get me in a minute. And configuration wizard. So once you do open it, it will open up configuration wizard. So that's where we're going to start. So 3, 2, 1. Let's start the timer. So we're going to go to the tools. Obviously, this will run automatically. You have options for, there we go, zoom it in. Optimize for streaming, recording secondary. Optimize for recording, and I will not be streaming. And I will only be using virtual camera. But we want the top one, so we're going to click next. We're going to stick with the canvas resolution of 1920 by 1080 because that's what we want. Next, it will give you connect. You can sign in with a stream key, or we're just going to connect our account. So we use if I can remember the password, making sure I'm not a bot. Because I've just tested this morning. It's going to ask for a auth code, which I've got set up on my phone. This changes every time, so it doesn't matter if you see it or not. It's going to authenticate. It's going to show that. So we've connected to the service we want. We're going to go next. It's going to do a few tests to check your ideal settings, your bandwidth that you've got. So already we're only just over a minute in, and we're part way there. Obviously, there's going to be time to consider for downloading it, but once I'm going in the fact that we've already downloaded it, we're already working our way through that early part of the section. So this takes a moment, so we're not going to skip through this. We're not going to speed it up. We're going to show you the whole process. There we go. So testing bandwidth for all those, and it will give me a recommended streaming. There you go. So it recommends what I could stream at, and the hardware encoding. And for some reason, it's picked in Europe, Netherlands. But anyway, we can apply them settings anyway. We can always adjust them later on. It then populates you with your two docks. You've got your stream, your chat, which you can dock them, drag them around wherever you want, resize them, make that one a bit bigger. I'm going to do all this. Do this normally. To be fair, I have normally on my other OBS have the chat the other side, but I'm not going to worry about that now. So now we've got your first section there, got your first scene, everything's blank. So what we want to do is I'll tell you what we're going to do next. We're going to go to this. We're going to add an overlay. So we're going to use Stream Elements for this. This gives you instant overlays and alerts that you can use straight away. You will log in. It doesn't take long to log in. You select your service. And in fact, let's log out and I'll show you. So log in. Choose Twitch for this instance. Will log me in, and there we go. It's got a few pieces there. So we've got activity feed and all this. You can set up a chat bot and all that. But what we want is streaming tools, an overlay gallery. And then you can search for a subject that you want. So, what have we been playing? Just put football. See if they've got any for Football Manager. No, they haven't. Put football. Okay, might be soccer. No, nothing for snooker. So we're just going to go with a theme. This is not. Obviously, you can search a bit longer. You can have a look for more that you want. But obviously, there's brand new ones. Red flare, that's quite a nice one. There you go. So we've got that one. Create my overlay. You can just delete. You can call it whatever you like in that, but create my overlay. and then it gives you a load of links for different scenes, in-game scenes, talking scenes, so on and so forth. So go to my overlays, and all we're going to do is we're going to, so there's a starting soon one, so we'll copy the URL. We will go back to OBS. I'm going to just create a new starting soon. I'm trying to do this relatively quick. We're going to do a browser source. Start it, just call it starting for this. Give it 1920. Oh, 1080. Delete that. Confirm that. Press OK. That should. There we go. That gives you all your starting soon. Obviously, you can zoom in and move the canvas size with the spacebar. Obviously, if you want to edit any of these and do it properly, then you can go into it. The next one we're going to do is be right back. I'm going to copy the URL again. So this is literally, oh, no, if I get the right OBS, we're going to do another one. BRB. Again, I'm going to paste these in. BRB. Overlay. Just copy that in there. We go 1920. And oh, can't do that. There we go. We're going to press OK, and there you go. BRB screen. Perfect. Next one we're going to need is, oh, you don't want that. And let me just see. So this one's a talking scene. So again, we're going to copy URL. Again, this is so easy to do. We're going to do just chatting. Call this just chatting. Okay. Again, another browser source. Ideally, in the future, the best thing to do is maybe not use a lot of browser sources, but it gets you started, and you can work out from there what you want to do. Overlay that there. Okay, and I've not. This is, there you go. I've made a mistake already because I've not. We're not done. We've not set the size properly because I've tried to do this too quick. I'm going to press OK. There we go. One bit we will add into here is a camera source. Camera, just call it. Don't want that one. We'll call it works. There we go. So this one, we're going to make it fit the size that we need. So, but what I'm going to do, I think this one does work. There you go. You make it a little bit bigger, and it'll sit behind. Fine and tune it and do that, and then there we go. Got there. The next bit we're going to do, where are we? And then we want the gameplay scene. So copy URL again. I think you get the idea of this. I think we get the idea. We're just going to call this gameplay. Press OK, and we're just going to browser source. Yeah, oh, can't spell gameplay. The scene. There you go, that'll do. Delete that. Control V. 1920. 1080. Oh, not 81. 1080. And there we go. Again, we're just going to add in a camera source. Video capture device. We're going to add camera again. Again, this one, if we put it below it, you can just drag, drop it in, camera, overlay. Again, if you want to get in a bit closer, just zoom in, mouse, tune in. If you want to crop it, you can with Alt. I think that looks pretty good. There we go. So that's that. Again, this one, oh, we don't want to move it now. We want to move the overlay. So this gives you all your overlays. You can put in recent donations and all this. This is all done inside of Stream Elements. If you want to edit it, you can just go into here and edit. So we're only 9 minutes in and we're nearly set up. We go into here and we can edit. This gives you all the alerts, everything you want. If you want to set up a separate alert, then you can. If you want to change any of the styling, you can. Obviously, I think that's the alert box there. So, and if we can want to test it, if you want to emulate a follower, there you go. That comes up there. Test a subscriber. Followers next. They just will stack for. There you go. Perfect. Just show you on. See, it shows you there as well. So I'm this over. See, I can't see it, but you can. There you go. So it now shows inside of OBS. And basically, obviously, the next thing you would really have to do, which I've not actually got a game loaded up. So, as an example, we're just going to add in. I don't know. We're going to put. I'll tell you what we'll put in. We'll put in a window. Internet. There you go. Not capture the OBS. We're going to capture that. Press OK. Obviously you want it below everything else. So there we go. And as an example, that's the wrong one because you don't really want to see all my stats from. There you go. There you go. we're not too fussed. They're there. So hopefully that helps. It's very quick. There's obviously a lot more we can do, but just over. I'm going to stop the timer. So in just over 10 minutes, well, 11 minutes. In just over 11 minutes, you can do a quick basic overlay and get yourself starting streaming. Hopefully this helps. If there is any more questions and a bit more, obviously, more advanced stuff that you want to do, let me know. There's obviously more videos we've done in the past as well. So there's all the OBS tutorial stuff. I'll link the playlist below and it will be at the end screen as well. And please just make sure you drop a sub and a like. There is a lot of time and effort goes into the videos, a lot of research, but this one is for those ones who are just starting out streaming and want to get set up. And so hopefully this all helps. I've said it once again anyway. So yeah, this is all there to help all the new streamers, all the ones who are either moving to OBS or starting out streaming with a PC. And this will just get you up and running and started and easy as you like, and then you can just experiment from there. So hopefully all this helps. Catch you all in the next video.